Hello, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is unit number 5, maintenance of electrical machine insulation. This is the unit number 5 in maintenance of electrical equipment. So the important topics are: first is classification of insulating material, second is properties of insulating material, third is factors affecting life of insulating material, fourth is testing of transformer oil. Means classification of insulating material, properties of insulating material means what are the properties and based on their MCQs, and the factors affecting life of insulating material and means the which factors affecting the life of insulating material, and the testing of transformer oil means the some test for testing of transformer oil. These are the important points, and these all these MCQs based on these points. So this year final year exam is MCQ, so these points are important. So the first question is: insulating material offers resistance to the flow of current. Options are: A is very high, B is very low, C is moderate, D is none of the above. So the our answer is option A, that is very high. Means insulating materials offers very high resistance to flow of current. Means when the resistance is high, then the flowing of current is low. So the insulating materials offers very high resistance to the flow of current. Next question is: varnish is A. Options are solid insulation, liquid insulation, gaseous insulation, none of the above. So the answer is option B, that is varnish is a liquid insulation. So there are the three types of insulation: solid insulation, liquid insulation and gaseous insulation. So the solid insulations are wood, paper, plastic, rubber, mica, bakelite, polystyrene, porcelain, asbestos, ceramic. These are the solid insulation. And the liquid insulation: varnish, mineral oil, petroleum oils, hydrocarbons. These are the liquid insulations. And the gaseous insulation: air, SF6, nitrogen, neon, H2O, CO2. These are the gaseous insulation. So the varnish is a liquid insulation. Next question is: what is the property of insulating material? So what is the property of insulating material is: options are prevents the unwanted flow of current, B is allows the unwanted flow of current, C is increase the unwanted flow of current, and D is increase the unwanted flow of current. So the answer is option A, prevent the unwanted flow of current. Next question is: how should the properties of strength and dielectric strength is insulating material? Options are high strength, low dielectric strength, low strength, low dielectric strength, C is high strength, high dielectric strength, D is low strength, high dielectric strength. So the our answer is option C, high strength, high dielectric strength. Next question is: melting point is which property of insulator? Electrical property, mechanical property, thermal property or chemical property? So the melting point is, answer is option C, that is the thermal property of insulator. Means melting point is the thermal property of insulator. Next is electrical properties of insulator. Electrical properties of insulator are insulation resistance, second is dielectric strength, third is dielectric constant, fourth is dielectric loss. And the thermal properties of insulator are: first is thermal stability, second is melting point, third is heat resistance. And the mechanical properties of insulator are mechanical strength, tensile strength, toughness, flexibility, viscosity, porosity. And the chemical properties of insulator are hygroscopy and aging. These are the some properties. Next question is: maximum operating temperature of class C insulation is? There are some types of some classes of insulation, that is the class A, class Y, class F, class C. So the maximum operating temperature of class C insulation is: options are 90 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees 120 degrees Celsius, 130 degrees Celsius, above 180 degrees Celsius. So the our answer is above 180 degrees Celsius. means the maximum operating temperature of class C insulation is above 120 degrees Celsius. Seventh question is maximum operating temperature of class F insulation is 90 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Celsius, 130 degrees Celsius or 155 degrees Celsius. So our answer is option D, 155 degrees Celsius is the maximum operating temperature of class F insulation. So these are the classes of insulation and their temperature. Class Y insulation 90 degrees Celsius, class A insulation 105 degrees Celsius, class E insulation 120 degrees Celsius, class B insulation 130 degrees Celsius, class F insulation 155 degrees Celsius, and for class H insulation 180 degrees Celsius, and for class C insulation above 180 degree Celsius. So these are the 7 types of classes of insulation. Question number 8 is, what is the polarization index value for a class A type insulation? Polarization index value for a class A type insulation. So options are 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 or less than 1. So your answer is 1.5, means polarization index value for a class A type insulation is 1.5, and for the class B type polarization index is 2. Next is, the dielectric strength of transformer oil is expected to be. Options are A is 1 kilovolt, B is 33 kilovolt, C is 100 kilovolt, D is 330 kilovolt. So our answer is option B, that is the 33 kilovolt. Question number 10 is, the objective of crackle test is. Options are A, to determine presence of water in oil, B is to determine presence of moisture in oil, C is to determine presence of water and moisture in oil, D is none of the above. So our correct answer is option C, to determine the presence of water and moisture in oil. Means the objective of crackle test is to determine the presence of water and moisture in oil. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.